Indian. Namaste. Just kidding.
So, bro, yung performance and your experience on an Indian motorcycle.
Oh, I love the Indian. It's light. It's very agile. It's not as hot as the other brand. You know what I mean. But I'm happy.
Ano boys, ito yung lineup natin for today oh.
With the Maki Moto and picture, late ka na naman. Sir Jimmy, good morning.
Good morning, Nat.
Yeah, finally we are riding.
For our Indian owners, so expect more activities in 2025. We're gonna do this regularly every month. It's either we'll have a ride like this or a bike night, and then maybe once a quarter long ride.
So finally you came back here for a ride.
Yeah, but where are we going today?
We are going to Clark with so many cruiser bikes.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've never been there.
Yeah, you never been there?
No.
So this is the first time you riding to North.
Oh, finally.
Finally. So we are riding cruiser bikes today. So I will show you our cruiser bike boys are here. Syempre, mga Indian yan today. The Indian motorcycles are here. Oh, with the Maki Moto and picture, late ka na naman. So here is our Indian motorcycles. So, oh, Sir Jimmy, good morning.
Good morning, Nat.
Yeah, finally we are riding. Finally we are riding.
Indian tayo ngayon.
Indian tayo ngayon. Indian tayo ngayon. Rally is here. Ano pa plano mo ngayon today, brother?
This is our breakfast lang, but this is our last gathering for the year. This is spearheaded by Papi Rally Zamora.
Hello.
Oh, Papi Rally is here.
So we're gonna try to do once a month
Ride.
breakfast ride.
Yeah. Yeah, this is our year-end ride.
This would be the year end.
Oh yeah. So we are waiting for so many Indian boys are here. Indian owners, Indian motorcycle owners.
For our Indian, yes. For our Indian owners, so expect more activities in 2025. We're gonna do this regularly every month. It's either we'll have a ride like this or a bike night, and then maybe once a quarter long ride. So, and then we'll switch it up every now and then. We'll think of something more fun to do. So for our Indian owners, there's more to come. There's more activities. You will be riding more in 2020.
Yeah, in 2025 we will have so many activities. So the Indian motorcycle owners get ready for to ride. And Stefano, so you said this is your first time you riding to North.
Yes,
So are you excited?
of course, as usual.
Oh, also he's a Ducati boy and he's using, of course, Ducati.
Today is
Yeah. So only one Ducati is here today.
Yeah, I feel lonely.
Oh, here is Sir Jimmy. How's everything, sir?
All good, all good.
Yeah, finally we are riding together.
At last.
At last. Oh, si Maki. Yesterday, Indian ka na naman. Yesterday.
Ikaw na naman.
Yesterday, Indian ka na naman. Sabi mo.
Sawa na ako sa'yo.
So, ano gamit mo ngayon? Indian din?
Indian.
Mukha kang Indian
Indian.
Oh. So,
Out road.
yes. Yan na boys, we are taking off from NLEX Shell. So, dito yung mga malupit kasama natin. So, lagay natin ng 360 so you can see behind also. So, this is a Indian I am using. So, let's roll. let's go, boys. So many Indian owners also joining with us. Yeah, here is another Indian owner. So there are so many Indian motorcycle owner here in the Philippines. So this is our year-end ride to Clark, and Access Plus always do like this rides to, you know, to appreciate all their clients. So yesterday it was our Italjet Christmas party. Today is Indian ride, and there is another event also going on in Pampanga. So then tomorrow another event. That is how they do with all their brands, you know, supporting all the you know, owners, and appreciate, you know, their effort to buying their products. That is how this Access Plus do. Also Ducati, as you see in some of my pictures, that, you know, Ducati had a very nice Christmas party. So very awesome company talaga yan sa Access Plus saka Ducati. They don't leave their client, they always respect their client, and you know, they always appreciate what their clients did for them. That is one of the things. So as you can see, here is in front of me Dragster 300. So this is how Access Plus do. So as you can see, whenever we have a ride, so they always send the backup vehicle to support the riders. So if anything happen, you know, there is a mechanic, there is a people to assist you. Maganda talaga yan Indian, guys. Walang init-init. Dito si Makimoto on our front. Maki lang sa kalam. You know, Maki lang sa kalam. Here is Jimmy, the malupit na Jimmy, also with us for today. Look at his bike color, guys. Grabe, solid yung bike color niya. He did a, you know, airbrush paint. Solid, oh. There is Stefano, my best buddy from Italy. He doesn't find any Indian motorcycle today, so we lend him a Monster. So Makimoto with his Indian, you know, shark helmet, carbon lodi. Another Indian boys are here, you know.
Yan na, stop over kami dito sa toll gate. Makilang sa kalam. Yun oh. Yun na, yabang oh. Oh, dito kami. Yung iba already in the restaurant na. So, let's go with mga malupit. Makimoto there. Stefano with the monster. Ayan, mga idols natin. Si Carlo. So vlogger din yan si Carlo, guys. I will just flash his YouTube channel here. So dati kasama natin yan. Mga Ninja 650 boy yan dati. Ngayon may Indian pa siya. So dati I think you saw some of our videos with the J-Mac. We used to ride together with Carlo. Video pa si Makimoto. Café Dia tayo. Yan na boys, dito yung lineup natin for today. Meron pa iba, hindi na dumating. Yan ang mga Indian boys. Yan o.
Abang ni Naj, lagi daw ba? Kumuha daw ng camera na bago para lang sa ride na to. Yabang.
Mayabang talaga.
Daming pera ni Naj. Saan kumukuha ng pera si Naj?
Galing kay Maki yan.
Saan kumukuha ng pera?
Galing kay Maki.
Oil.
Galing kay Maki yan.
Oil lang po.
Tingin ko
Alam mo yung oil
sa
sa
ano, may supplier to ng sunblock
Sunblock.
at
Hindi, tire black.
At tire black.
Tire black yan.
Glutatae.
Glutatae. Isa pa yan. Glutatae. Iba gamit mo? Improve ba? Improve ba sa'yo, glutatae?
Glutatae?
Yung brand ko?
Baho na pare.
Yan na boys, dito tayo sa Café Dia. Kasama natin si Stefano is here. Actually, he was using the Ducati motorcycle. So we are all using the Indian motorcycle and he couldn't find the Indian motorcycle. So we let him use the Ducati. So let me ask while they having a breakfast, let's do some small interview. Sir, how long you have been using the Indian motorcycle?
About a year now, sir.
How you feel the Indian motorcycle?
Oh, very good. I like it. It's a very relaxed motorcycle to ride on the highway. I like it.
And no heat?
No heat.
No.
It's very smooth.
Very minimal.
Very minimal. And no vibration at all.
No,
compared to the other.
and very powerful.
Yes, very powerful.
Yes.
I love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
We will ask the hardcore brothers, of course, syempre Jimmy the Malupit. Jimmy the Malupit. Brother, you had so many brand cruiser, classic motorcycles. So you are one of the person I want to ask about Indian. So you have an Indian motorcycle.
Indian, namaste. Just kidding.
so bro, yung performance and your experience on an Indian motorcycle.
Oh, I love the Indian. It's light. It's very agile. It's not as hot as the other brand. You know what I mean. But I'm happy.
Available in Costa Rica.
Soon available in more models available in AP.
So Jimmy is here and one of the happy customer here. And here is Sam. He also using Indian. How long you been using Indian?
Since 2018, and I got another one here in the Philippines.
Okay.
It's a great bike. It's a great build. Better than Harley. The engine quality build, I think, is better than Harley.
Yeah. And you know,
And I have 2 Harleys too, so
you have a 2 Harleys too.
and I think
so you can just say
I think Indian's a better build.
better build
Better build for sure.
and very.
The Indians better than the Cowboys.
So he's one of the user. Here is, of course, we all know. Here is our Carlo is here. Carlo been missing from YouTube for so long, so he is back again. And please subscribe his channel, bro. Mention mo na yung channel mo, brother.
Sinbad 683.
Yes, we've been riding maybe 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
We used to ride together, and he just stopped for some time, and he back again with the. So I didn't know that when you are an Indian motorcycle owner.
Well, now you do.
Now I know. So you came from
Kawasaki.
Ninja Kawasaki 650 and different Vulcan.
Yeah.
Vulcan. So now you are in an Indian motorcycle.
Yeah.
So your experience on the Indian motorcycle, brother.
Way better than the Vulcan. Yeah.
Of course.
More
100% better than the Vulcan.
suspension wise, torque wise, and build quality.
Yeah.
It's built like a tank. Yeah.
Yeah. Matagal na ito ng Indian user yan.
Bakit?
Indian user na Indian user.
Indian o malakas mang Indian?
Malakas. Indian user. Dati may Indian girlfriend siya.
Hindi lahat
Yung-
ng sinasabi nyo to totoo.
So yung
Some are fictional characters.
ilan months ka nang gamit ng yung Indian motorcycle?
Siguro mga mga 3 months.
3 months. So nakita ko lagi ka ng mga flex ka ng mga
Kasi corner eh. Kaya eh.
Ni drag pa.
Hey, drag.
Ni-
Head drag.
Head drag pa.
Nakita mo yung article ko?
Oh.
Ginamit sa poster ni Edmond yun.
Oh.
Nakagano no?
Oh, yun nga nakita ko. Mundik na head drag eh. So anyway, nakita ko marami ng flex na mga Indian. Mukhang ayaw mo talaga ng mga ibang cruiser brand ah. Oh, bakit?
Pero stand out ang Indian pagdating sa handling. Ganda ng cornering radius eh. Tapos medyo
Very nimble.
Oo.
Very nimble.
Yung center of gravity nasa baba. Hindi siya mabigat ligo-ligo.
Oh. Yeah.
Torque is
Grabe yung torque.
Tapos yung upuan ng Scout Rogue.
Yeah.
Ng upuan.
Masarap na upuan.
Hindi siya masakit sa wet box.
Oh. Yan, galing kay Makimoto yan guys. Ito yung mga run na mga brand, mga tao yan.
Totoo
Siyempre,
yan,
ito totoo talaga, wala nang run dito. So dito, maraming beses siya nagamit, pati Palawan, mga twisties, off-road. Gamit niya yung Indian. Oh, yung experience mo sa Indian, brother.
So,
Siyempre, ikaw.
I tried the Indian Scout on straight roads, wide roads, twisties, and off-road.
Yeah.
And I must say the Indian Scout is a performer.
So
Performance-wise, talaga, hands down, it's a really good bike. 100% cruiser, but it performs like a sports bike.
yes, very powerful. So he was using off-road when we were in Palawan. He was using the trail off-road Indian. So dito, si Sir. Oh, Sir. Oh, dito isa pang idol natin. Sir,
Idol.
matagal na pa kayo sa gamit ng Indian motorcycle?
I've been using my Indian since 2022.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kamusta ng yung experience ng Indian?
Superb, man. Superb. Indian is superb. Ang galing. Ang galing ng ng galing
Ano ba yung standout sa'yo sa Indian?
yung ride niya. Napakalambot, madaling dalhin, hindi mabigat. Mabigat lang siya sa umpisa, pero pag tumatakbo ka na,
Wala yung center of gravity, di ba?
yes.
So, mas easy to ride. Even the newbie rider can ride the bike, di ba?
As a matter of fact, hindi nga ako nagkaroon ng ng training. I've never been had any training on riding. that's my first bike.
That is your first big bike.
Yep.
And you're riding an Indian cruiser bike.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So that is how it is because the bike is so powerful, but and very smooth,
Yes.
and no vibration and no overheating.
It's like a lady. Touch it's easy.
Yeah.
It will be then easy.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, Edmond. Oh, here is Edmond, our sales manager. Anong manager? Sales manager natin. Oh, sa Access Plus. So, meron tayo ng marami na demo bikes. Meron tayo sa Access Plus.
Yes sir, meron tayo mga demo bikes sa Access Plus. So, pag gusto nyong mag-demo ng aming mga bikes, just call me or text me. So, meron tayo mga Indian Scout Route, the Bobber 20, and the Classic one.
Oh, so lahat ng bike
Lahat
meron tayo.
ng line-up ng ating Scout is available for
Oh,
demo.
also, mga vloggers, pag gusto nyo ng mga review ng mga motor na yan,
Yun,
punta
just
kayo
call me.
doon.
Oo.
So, hiram kayo ng 1 day, 2 days. Tapos, review kayo. Balik nyo na lang kay Edmond.
Yun, tama sir.
Diba? So, meron tayo na mostly, every month, meron tayong test ride din, diba?
Yes, sir.
Official test ride.
Meron din sir.
Oh, so, check nyo na lang yung Indian Motorcycle Philippines Facebook page guys, sa Access Plus page. Doon tayo ng mga post, diba? Yung test ride natin.
Yes sir.
Yes, Edmond is here, malupit yan. Boys, dito tayo sa Café Dia. Mga malupit yan dito. Anong pangalan mo ate?
Tintin po. Tintin.
Tintin. Yan, hanap nyo na lang kay Tintin. Magaling yan. O, dito mga malupit. Ikaw, brother, ikaw, ano ba? Ha?
Marvin sir.
Marvin is here. And dito, anong pangalan mo?
Lewo sir, Lewo.
Levo. Jerome is here. Joshua is here. Ito yung mga malupit natin dito sa Café Dia. Maganda yung lugar guys. Check nyo ito. Solid talaga ng mga breakfast ride dito yan. So dito, meron tayo ng isang bicycle. Nakita nyo ito. So ayan o. Ayan o, solid o.
So we done our breakfast. It's time to go to Ducati Clark. There is Dennis is there with his Hayabusa. So let's roll. It was a nice ride guys. Here is Maki and Renzo. Yun o, yung iba ayaw ng mga side mirror. Si kuya maraming side mirror oh. Panis oh. Ilan ang side mirror gusto nyo? Andun si kuya oh. Oh yan ha, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito nyo, maraming side mirror, maraming ilaw. Oh yun oh. Oh, panis.